Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change the language settings in the YouTube TV app quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app on your phone, tablet, or smart TV. Make sure you are signed into your account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner or side menu on TV. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Language. Look for the language option in Settings. Choose your preferred language from the list provided. Step 4. Save and restart. After selecting your language, close the app and reopen it to apply the changes. Your YouTube TV app interface will now display in your chosen language. Note: language options may vary slightly depending on your device or region. Some content audio and subtitles can be changed separately during playback. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy YouTube TV tutorials.